Welcome to this GLINK tutorial where I'm gonna show you how to disassemble the docking stand. Before we begin, make sure the CF frame lock are in an unlocked position, like so. Now the first step, using my thumb pressing on the bars, I remove the first corner, like so. I place it on the opposite side. I repeat the process with the other corner. Now I remove the vertical bar by using my thumb on the pin while pulling the knob. This enables me to slide up the vertical bar. I'm gonna place it here while working on the other one, so I don't hold it in my hands. I slide this bar up. Now I take the two vertical bars and I place them inside the CF frame locks, like so. Now I take the bars and I put them in the center of these corners. That's the last step. Now I can remove the docking stand as one unit and everything is kept together.